Just hours before the big voting day, there have been full-on controversies. Everyone's keeping a watch on another party and its leaders as well. But here's what the morning looked like. At least the leaders have put out a good benchmark. They are coming out to support, to vote, to support their candidates. The Bharatiya Janata Party leaders were definitely seen in good numbers. Hardeep Puri, Basuri Swaraj, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. And remember, this is not about political affiliations. As leaders, as elected representatives, to be able to encourage other voters and say that if they can come out from their busy schedules to cast their vote, exercise their franchise, other Delhi voters should also do. 62.82% was the voter turnout in 2020 Delhi Legislative Assembly elections. Will it be higher? I hope it will be. I'm a Delhi voter. I will ensure after I'm done with my work, I will go and cast my vote. There's no excuse for the Delhi Walas today. Shreya Chatterjee is at one polling booth. Shreya, Arvind Ojha's polling booth in Batla House in Okhla is clearly packed. A lot of women coming in. What is it looking like at your polling booth?
Well, Pooja, Manish Sisodia, in fact, has just arrived at this polling booth in the New Delhi constituency. This is Lady Arvind Senior Secondary School, from where we will also be seeing Arvind Kejriwal cast his votes. Currently, Manish Sisodia is inside, and the kind of fierce battle that we are seeing between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, it would be interesting, Pooja, to watch the results on the 8th of February. New Delhi constituency is one of the most tight contests between Arvind Kejriwal, Parvesh Verma and Sandeep Dixit. We've seen the kind of chatter that's been there on the possibility of Congress also trying to up its voter percentage. Whether that actually happens or not, we will have to wait and watch. But as of now, tight fight between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. We have spoken to multiple voters. It will be a very difficult result. Clearly, that looks like so.
All right, Shreya, thank you very much. For Manish Sisodia, remember, high stakes, he's changed his constituency. Will he become the Deputy CM again, or will there be against him, as the candidates are, Tarvinder Marva, a Sikh leader who's now joined the BJP, has been a three-time MLA from the Congress party. Then the Congress has also put in who was a councillor multiple times, Farhad Suri. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra campaigned for him door-to-door in the last 2 days. That's Manish Sisodia, meanwhile, at the Lady Irwin School, where he's cast his vote. What a moment for him. Had to be behind bars in the excise policy case, the charge that Aam Aadmi Party has consistently denied, but it has led to a lot of trouble for him, for Arvind Kejriwal, for other leaders of the party. But accompanying with family members, he has decided to come out and cast his vote. But of course, that is after he had a visit to the temple as well, offering prayers, seeking blessings from God. Remember, this is the stronghold of Aam Aadmi Party. This is where the party was founded in 2013 after India Against Corruption days. This is the only city where they can hope for a revival or a continued reign in power. Because in all other states, it's only a bonus. If they lose Delhi, then it puts Aam Aadmi Party's future at stake as well. And that is why one of the big faces, of course, of the Aam Aadmi Party is Manish Sisodia. Arvind Kejriwal wasn't handling as many portfolios, none in fact. It was Manish Sisodia who became the big face, but that landed trouble for him too. But this time, Manish Sisodia been campaigning in Jangpura Assembly constituency, which is a very important because it's varied constituency. There are different sections. There's an extremely poor segment in the Jangpura Assembly constituency, and they are fairly rich, super rich in fact, also in parts of Jangpura. So this is a constituency where Manish Sisodia will have to convince one and all. With this vote that he casts and gets his finger inked, he will hope that he will be able to emerge victorious. Because for the viewer watching, Manish Sisodia is a big name, of course. But if you are not from Delhi, I must tell you that Tarvinder Marva of the BJP and Farhad Suri of Congress are also locally big names, known to the people in Jangpura. And that's why for the people of Jangpura, it will be a tough decision to take. Manish Sisodia flaunting a finger today. Can he flaunt the victory sign on 8th February? They have done it at least for the past 3 times. 2013, 2015, 2020, repeatedly returning to government. But they do realize this time the fight is very close between Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party at least.
जो अंदर यही हो, इस क्या ये बिल्कुल रूम से बिल्कुल बाहर है, नहीं ये को जान दीजिए जो वोटिंग में उनको प्लीज बाहर, नहीं जो वोटिंग लाइन खड़ी है प्लीज बाहर, नहीं बाहर.
But why just politicians and leaders? Very important to look here. A Delhi voter was clearly facing a certain illness, but ensured that the voter took an ambulance this morning and landed up at the polling booth, ensuring to get the fingering, exercise their franchisee and cast their vote. What is your excuse, Delhi Walo, to not come out of your house just yet?